Hey, welcome to the channel, you guys. Today we're going to be looking at Homeschool Gradebooks tracking software. Today I'm going to be showing you how to simply import tests into your student. This is a very simple, easy process. So if you have a bunch of tests that you just want to import because you're using an Excel spreadsheet and you're like, I don't want to have to go through and re-enter those tests each time, I'm going to show you how to import all your tests with a simple click of the button. So you just want to go to Students. We're going to go to the Import Export Data tab. We're going to download an example CSV file. We already have that open and downloaded, and you can see some of the test names. They're just demos, there's test scores. We'll just add another one here, call it another one, and then we'll give it a score of 75. Right? So if you're using an Excel spreadsheet and you have a whole bunch of tests and a whole bunch of scores, just copy and paste them into these columns. First column is going to be test name. Second one's going to be test score. Simply just hit save. We come back to our page here. We're going to browse for that CSV file we just downloaded. So we have our selected. And then as soon as you select your CSV file, if it's formatted correctly, you're going to first see you must have two columns called test name, test score. And then if you come down here, it gives you a CSV preview of what's going to get imported, which is very nice. So you can see all your test names, you can see all the test scores, and you can see everything looks correct. So now we can get import, right? No, we need to select what student. So we're going to select John, so we only have one, so that's where we have John there. The quarter, we're going to select, let's say, quarter 1. And then we're going to close this out real quick. Let's go down. We have no tests for ELA 2. So let's just import it to that, right? So let's go back here, and we'll select ELA 2. So we hit import, and boom, done. It's all imported. See how nice that is? So you're saving so much time instead of going one by one trying to enter all those tests and grades and everything. You know, it's just a simple click of the button. Now here's one thing to note. On this page, they do make it very easy because you're like, why are there add test buttons all over the place? It makes it easier because you hit add test and it automatically sets the subject for whatever you're adding that score to. So if I go down to math and hit add, it sets the math, which is great. So we'll just say, you know, test 56. Let's say it's, you know, for John, he got a 65 on it. And you can also change the test date here. You can also upload an attachment. Let's say, you know, it was a sheet of paper, you graded his math. You can simply scan that, upload it, take a photo with your phone. You can also upload stuff through your phone. And then you can attach it and then hit save. Now, what's also nice is you've hit save and add another. You can see I added that test 56 down there. And we can simply now add, let's say, another test. And you don't even have to close out of that window, which is nice. And let's say you got a 70 on that one. And we'll just do save and close for that one. And then boom. You can see it automatically adds those tests right here. And you can keep doing it if you do save and add. Or you can use the import option. I like the import option because, especially if you're already tracking in Excel, it's an easy way to convert what you've been doing now into the new program, right? And then you can also export this data too, which is nice. You can export all the kids' test scores for all quarters, quarter 1, and export all the CSV in case you want to use it for something else. So this is a nice place to be able to import and export all your data in one area. That's it, you guys. I just wanted to show you how to easily import tests from an Excel file you've already had into that CSV example file, and then you can just simply import that file, and now you got all your test scores imported for your student. Well, I hope this video was helpful for you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.